In this video, I will show you how to change the screen size of your Samsung Smart TV. So if you're watching any content or video on your Samsung Smart TV and you notice that the content or video does not just fit the screen, or you do not like the screen size of the content while watching on your Samsung Smart TV, then what you should do is to basically go ahead and change the screen size of your Samsung Smart TV. And to do that, you want to use your remote control and then just navigate through the apps over here. You want to go over to the settings icon, which is basically this gear icon over here. Go ahead and select it just like so. Now from the settings, you want to go over to picture settings and then you want to come over to picture size settings. Now this is actually the screen size of your Samsung Smart TV. So you want to go ahead and select it just like so. Now to adjust the screen size of your Samsung Smart TV, you want to go ahead and select picture size, and then over here you're going to see all of the options you have to change the screen size of your Samsung Smart TV. For instance, you can make it to custom, which is basically going to use the screen size of the particular content you're watching on your Samsung Smart TV. And also if you want to go ahead and put it to 4:3, you can just go ahead and select that option. Alternatively, you can also just go ahead and select it and then make sure that it is at standard, which is the basic 16:9 over here. Now one thing you have to note is that depending on the app that is being opened on your Samsung Smart TV, all of these options might actually be available for you to change to. So for instance, you can go ahead and put it to full screen or whatever option you actually want from here, but that will be basically depending on the app you're watching from or the device that you actually have connected to your Samsung Smart TV. So basically, that is how to change the screen size of your Samsung Smart TV. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.